Hello, in this tutorial we are going to make a simple weather station using a NeoPixel's LED shield attached to Arduino and DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor. This project is brought to you by pcbway. What I really like about them is that you can get 10 professional made boards for around $5, which is really amazing for professionally made boards. On their website, just click on the Get Instant Quote and you will see how much the PCB will cost. They also offer other services like PCB assembly, 3D printing, CNC machining. The link will be in the description, so go and check them out. For this project you will need the NeoPixel's LED shield for Arduino, Arduino board, DHT11 sensor and Visuino program. Connect the DHT sensor according to this schematic. Attach the NeoPixel's LED shield on the Arduino board. Go to Visuino website and download and install Visuino program. Start Visuino and select the board. In our case it is Arduino Uno. Add NeoPixel's component. Add analog multi-source component. Add DHT11 component. Select Analog Multi-Source 1 and in the Properties window set output pins to 3. Double click on the NeoPixels 1 and in the Pixel Groups window drag 2D graphics to the left side and in the Properties window set height to 5 and width to 8. Select Elements and click on the 3 dots button. In the Elements window, drag Fill Screen to the left side and drag Text Fill to the left side, and in the Properties window set Color to Orange Red, Wrap to False. Now select Elements and click on the 3 dots button so that we can set the font. In the Elements window, drag Font element to the left side and in the Properties window set font to Adafruit Pico Pixel. Now close all the windows. Connect humidity thermometer 1 pin sensor to Arduino board digital pin 2 and connect humidity thermometer 1 pin temperature to analog multi-source 1 pin in. Connect analog multi-source 1 pin 0 to NeoPixels 1 fill screen 1 pin clock and connect analog multi-source 1 pin 1 to NeoPixels 1 text field 1 pin in and connect analog multi-source 1 pin 2 to NeoPixels 1 text field 1 pin clock. Connect NeoPixels 1 pin out to Arduino board digital pin 6. At the bottom, click on the Build tab and make sure that you selected the right ported board and click Compile, Build and Upload button.